Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf with day 19 of FrekiFitVember. All right, everybody, how are you all doing? I am leaving work. So first of all, as usual, comment with your activity down below or my Facebook group, and I will encourage it. I love it. I love that you guys are going through with it. Traffic is really bad right now. Hence why I actually turned on the camera. I don't have a lot to say. I don't know what this video is going to be about. So it's just going to be a vlog type of thing. First of all, thank you for the comments from yesterday. I will respond to them when I get home. And I am proud to say that I did get my activity in. I ended up not making rice like I had planned, because I was planning on making rice so that I could, you know, exercise while that was cooking. But I ended up having, hash browns, and the grocery store had some steamed buns. They had an egg custard one that was so good. But I think when I make them at home, they're better because, like, they were tiny. They didn't swell up like mine do when I steam them. But they were still very, very good. So I had that for dinner. And so basically my activity yesterday was walking in place. Or around the kitchen, you know, whatever. I made sure to keep my body moving steadily while I was doing that. And today is maybe going to be something similar. It's gorgeous outside right now. I might pull out my shorts and actually go for a walk because it is like 70 degrees and sunny and great out right now. I may do something at home. I did talk to my roommate, especially while he's been home. Sorry, I thought that was a weird thing on my hair, but it's a shadow from my air freshener. And he did say, like, hey, you know, if you want to do exercise, if you want to record a video at home, like, just tell me to go for a walk and I will. So I might do that, or at the very, it just feels rude. Like, hey, get out of your own apartment because I want to do something. But he also has been there for like all week. So I may do that. I may just be like, hey, can you just, you know, go in your room and shut the door and I'll do yoga or something like that. For some reason, at least yoga, it's not like me banging around making a lot of noises, so I don't feel as awkward versus like when I do the Planet Fitness workouts or any of that type of stuff. You know, there's gonna be some jumping involved in making noise, and that feels awkward. I don't know why. It just does. Either it makes sense to you or it doesn't. But for me, it does. It's awkward and weird. So I'm gonna be doing one of those things when I get home. It's going to see, especially depending on this traffic. I think we're finally almost past whatever was slowing it down. There's no accidents, nothing. I have no idea why it's been so slow. Probably just because it's nice out. It's 3:30. It's nice out. People are maybe just out and about. No idea. But either way, I'm past it and I'm getting on the highway now, so great. Yeah, so I don't have a lot to say in this video. That's literally it. I don't know what I'm having for dinner yet. I have stuff to make, like chicken and rice and vegetables, but I'm finally reaching that point where I'm getting kind of sick of it. So I'm torn where, like, one, I don't really want to spend money because I do have that, but two, I kind of want something different. Like, it was nice having hash browns and that and those steamed buns yesterday. But I just happen to have hash browns. I'm out of those. I'm out of everything except for some frozen vegetables, chicken, and rice. So we'll see if I end up going to a grocery store or not. I have no idea. And that might determine whether I walk outside or do something at home. Because, you know, if at 3:30, we don't have much more sunlight left. We have, like, what, an hour and a half of it? So maybe I'll do that first and then go to the store and all that jazz. We'll see. I don't know. Basically, at this point, this video is just me rambling, thinking out loud, like, what do I want to do with my life? Well, with my day, not my whole life. That'd be a long video if I was discussing my life goals. So anyway, yeah, so this video is going to be super short. I'm calling it there. A 5-minute long video. That's like a first for me. I normally talk on and on and on and on and on. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Comment, let me know what your activity is, and I'll talk to you tomorrow with hopefully maybe more to say.